nothing colder than this ringtone in my head. It's ringing out loud from the cell phone in my hand. It's blowing on me like a ceiling fan. Now you're gone. I could hang up right now. I could just throw it down. I could sure enough tell you I could use another round. It's gone, it's me for wishing I could be less mild. Reminds me of a tax form that I have not filed. In contrast with the weeds growing tall and wild in my lawn. I could hang up right now. I could just throw it down. I could straight up run out, hit another round, and I could forget all the things that you have found. It doesn't matter now where we all have been. There's no need to talk about the way back when. There's no such thing anyhow as might have been, 'cause the truth is known about my cell phone, that the ringtone is on my end. And I could hang up right now. I could just throw it down. I could straight up run out, hit another round. I could forget all the things that you have found.